Trading trend lines is honestly one of the best ways to read price action. But let me be real, for beginners it can feel kinda confusing. Like, wait, which trend line do I even care about? Well, check this out. I found a TradingView indicator that draws trend lines for you automatically, and here's the kicker. It even gives you a signal when a breakout happens. It helps reduce some of the manual work and hesitation. Alright, look at this BTC 5-minute chart time frame. See this trend line? This indicator drew it on a corrective wave. This is just a small pullback against the main trend. And then, boom, price breaks above it. Right at the moment, the indicator pops up a break signal. So instead of sitting there wondering, is this a trade or not? The indicator basically flags the potential for you. Pretty slick, right? Now here's another example on the same chart. The indicator draws a trend line and then boom, price breaks below it. Look closely. Right then, a break signal shows up. That's a potential sell setup. And yeah, I know what you're thinking. Does it always work? No indicator is perfect, but it's still super helpful to catch setups you might otherwise miss. So what's this indicator? I tell you in a second, but before, reality check. Trading involves risk, a lot of it. No indicator is 100% accurate. Sometimes they give false signals. Like here, trend clearly down, but the indicator prints a bullish breakout. Follow it blindly, probably a loss. And that's fine. Trading isn't about being perfect, it's about reducing mistakes. So what do? Step by step, we will build the strategies to filter the bad signals, and we combine that with a solid risk management. That's how you survive long term. But before we get into the main trendline indicator, let me show you a simple way to filter counter trend signals. Hit that like button real quick. Thanks. Then let's add a free TradingView indicator called Market Bias. Super easy. Go to the search bar, type Market Bias and add it to the chart. You'll see a colored ribbon, green and red, but we'll tweak it a little so it's perfect for spotting trends. Here's the tweak. In the market bias settings, go into the inputs, change the period to 200. Smoothing to 200. And oscillator period to 18. Disable HA option and boom, done. Super simple, but makes a huge difference. So what does the market bias tells us? Green ribbon, uptrend. Red ribbon, downtrend. That's it. Now let's add our main indicator, trend lines with breaks by Lux Algo. Search it in the TradingView and add it to your chart. Alright, now we've got anything to start spotting trades and managing risk. Here's how we trade. Look at this Bitcoin 5-minute chart. Trend is down. How do we know? Market bias is red. Price is below it. That tells us to look for sells, not buys. Now check this. A bullish breakout from the trend line indicator. But wait, counter trend. Market bias says down. price below ribbon, indicator says buy. What do? Skip it. Easy. Don't overthink. Discipline. Only take signals that line up with the trend. Then another trend line shows up. Boom. Bearish breakout. Matches market bias. Price confirms. That's our sell entry. And all this is automated. No drawing trend lines yourself. It's like having a little helper flagging setups while you focus on the bigger picture. So, check out how the candle closes past the trend line. That's confirmation. These little details separate guessing from informed trades. Risk management super important. Always risk 1% per trade. A stop loss just above the recent swing high for sells and below swing lows for buys. Take profit 2x risk. Even if you had a few losses, your account stays safe and your winners covers them. Keeps you in the game when things get messy. Quick example for a buy. Not counter trend. Market bias green, price above ribbon. Bullish breakout. A stop loss below swing low and take profit 2x risk. Done. And here's what I tell new traders. Remember, indicators don't guarantee profit. They help you make faster, smarter decisions. You still watch price, confirm the trend, manage risk. Indicator gives clue. You call the shots. One last thing. Notice how breakout signals usually line up with strong market bias trends? That's not luck. That's stacking evidence before making a move instead of just hoping. And hey, if you want another free indicator setup on TradingView, check the recommended video on a screen next. It goes deeper into setups like this and show you how to spot high probability trades without paying for expensive indicators. Don't miss it.